In this video I'm going to show you how to enable or disable iMessage on your iPhone device. That is quite simple and easy to do, so let's begin. And first open up your settings and there scroll down until you find messages. Get into it. And now here, by turning on this option, you can enable or disable iMessage on your device. iMessage uses wireless data to send messages between Apple Watch, phone, iPad and Mac. So actually between Apple products, and if you enable that option, you can use this feature on your Apple devices. And once that option is enabled, you can hit there at send and receive, and here you can set up which ways you can use to receive iMessages and to reply from. That's how it works. If this video helped you out, don't forget to like and subscribe.